You never know where you might be nature journaling. While taking my mom to a little library book exchange, I was inspired by this beautiful purple lantana, also known as trailing lantana, in someone's front yard. I snapped some pictures to nature journal a watercolor swatch at home. This Daniel Smith watercolor swatch is part of my Nature Journal watercolor swatch book. Check out my other shorts, and thanks for subscribing too. I let several layers of this purple lantana watercolor swatch dry, so some of the layers wouldn't run into one another and I could get a little definition of the petals and leaves too. So you never know when a nature journal opportunity will arise, and if you don't have your art supplies with you, take a photo so you can journal in your own time later, like I did in today's botanical watercolor swatch. My name is Kathleen Arola-Johnson, and you're watching me at Creative Solace Studios. Thanks again for subscribing for more art tutorials.